Now I will start question number 3. Question number 3, solve the equation by trial and error method. Solve the equations. Solve the equations by trial and error method. By trial and error method. Trial and error method. Now first equation is 5p plus 2 equal to 70. 5p plus 2 equal to 70. We have to find the solution by trial and error method. How can we find the solution by trial and error method? So you see, first of all, we must make a table. Here we make a table. Now value of p, equation 5p plus 2 70. Now solve. Now put the value of p, any value we can put then we will find the solution of the equation. First of all, we will put the value of p 1. Then we will find 5 multiply 1 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. But answer is 70. Now we put the value of p 2. So 5 multiply 2 plus 2. 5 to the 10, 10 to 12. But answer is 70. RHS is 70. Now put the value of 3. So 5 multiply 3 plus 2. 5 3 is 15 or 2 17. 17 equal to 70. Here we observe RHS is equal. RHS is 17 and solution is 70. So value of p is 3. So 3 is the solution of the given equation. So 3 is the solution of the given equation. It is clear? Now second part is 3m minus 14 equal to 4. 3m minus 14 equal to 4. First of all, we will make the chair. First of all, we will make the table and put the value of n. We will find the solution. Now m, value of n, equation 3m minus 14 and RHS is 4. So now put the value 1. 3 multiply 1 minus 14. 3 means 3 minus 14 minus 11. But RHS is 4. Now put the value of 2. 3 multiply 2 minus 14. 3 to the 6. 6 minus 14 minus 5. But solution is 4. But RHS is 4. Now put the value of 3. 3 multiply 3 minus 14. So 9. 3 is 9. 9 minus 14 minus 5. But RHS is 4. So they are not verified. Now put the value of 4. 3 multiply 4 minus 14. 3 4 the 12, 12 minus 14 equal to minus 2. But RHS is 4. Now put the value of 5. Put the value of 5. 3 multiply 5 minus 14. 3 5 the 15 minus 14 equal to 1. But RHS is 4. Now we will put the value of 6. 3 multiply 6 minus 14. 3 6 the 18. 18 minus 14 equal to 4. And RHS is 4. So value of M is 6. So 6 is the solution. So 6 is the solution of. Now 6 is the solution of the given equation. So this is the trial and error method. We will put the value, and when we will find the value equal to the RHS, then it is the solution. So here we observe that RHS is 4 and we have find the value 4. So RHS equal to 4. So it is the solution. Now I will start question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is write equation for the following statement. Write equations for the following statements. Now first part is the sum of the number x and 4 is 9. The sum of the number x and 4 is 9. So write the equation for the following statement. This statement is equation. We have to write. We will write. Now equation will be x plus 4 equal to 9. Sum of the number x and 4 is 9. So equation is x plus 4 equal to 9. It is clear? Now second part is to subtract subtracted from by is 8. Now equation will be by minus 2 equal to 8. 2 subtracted from by minus 2 equal to 8. This is the equation. Now fourth part, the number b divides 5 divides by 5 gives 6. So the number b divides by 5 gives 6. So b upon 5 equal to 6. This is the equation. Now seventh part is 1/4 of a number. Seventh part, 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4 1/4 of a number x, 1/4 of a number x, 1 upon 4x, 1/4 of a number x, 1 upon 4x minus 4 gives 4 equal to 4. So it is a equation. Now eighth part, away 6 from 6 times y, away 6 from 6 times by get 60. Away 6 from 6 times y, it means 6y minus 6, we get 60. So 6y minus 6 equal to 60. Ninth part is add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z get 30. Now add 3 to 1/3 of a z, 1/3 of a z, 1 upon 3z plus 3 equal to we get 30. So these are the equation. Question number 5, write the following equation in standard form. Write the equation in standard form. Statement form. Now, question number 5, write the equation. Write the equations in statement form. In statement form. In question number 4, we have write the equation in the general form, but now I will write the equation in standard form. First part is p plus 4 equal to 50. P plus 4 equal to 50. Write the equation in statement form. The sum of p and 4 is 50. This is the statement form. Now second part is m minus 7 equal to 3. 7 subtracted from n is 3. It is clear? Now fifth part, 3m upon 5 equal to 6. 3/5 of m is 6. 3/5 part of the m is 6. Sixth part is 3p plus 4 equal to 25. 3p plus 4 equal to 25. So we can write it in standard form. Add 4 to 3 times a number, p gives 25. Gives 25. Now, 7th part, 4p minus 2 equal to 18. 2 subtracted from 4 times a number p is 18. So this is the question number 5.